Hello, who's this? Who's that? And a wild Colonial boy. Everyone's here.
It's the bloke who can't find coins. And the master.
Hey, mate.
And what are we going to say? Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Yeah, what is it, Monday the 2nd, guy?
Something like that. Something like that.
What have you found, mate?
Oh, I have found, I don't know, I reckon it's...
Oh, a little bit fancy bit off a cane or something. No?
Yeah,
What is that?
got a bit of...
Cricket bucket.
It's holding on to something, isn't it?
It's a glove, is it?
A feet or something? You reckon there's toes there? I don't know what that is.
What the hell
I reckon
is
it's sort of hanging. It's a little bit of Victorian sort of.
Bit of fancy on it as well.
Yeah. But yeah, that's not a bad little piece of.
Might have been a brooch or something.
Yeah, I reckon it's a foot or something. See the toes and nails and.
Quick, mate, let's detect around him.
There you go. Right, yeah, it is getting very, very muggy, very, very sticky. And down there, I think, oh no, I have something for it. So it's English of some description. Might even be a token. Oh no, you got penny there. 1 penny, so the date should be right there. Yeah, not too bad. Phew, that was a long way down. Rightio, this is what I like. It's a watch winder, come up about 16.
Oh, I suppose it's going to have Eldorado written on this thing.
Yeah, it probably will have Eldorado written on it.
It will
Oh,
have
that's a ripper, mate. I love them.
watchmaker Clunes.
Clunes?
Clunes?
How's that?
Yeah.
In the... What the... What's sort of almost better than a snake buckle, guy?
I've never found one of them.
Yeah, look at that.
Good find, mate. Good find.
Love those.
I love them as well.
Oh, I got $10 in there. Here with bloody...
Oh, it's a sash, lady's sash buckle, I think.
What do you reckon, Nick?
Better have a geezer, mate.
Mick will probably know what it is. He's probably got one before.
Yes. What do you reckon, Nick?
Oh, it's got a pin on the back I can see, like a long...
Jesus Christ.
Like a long... Oh, come on, guy, mate. Whoa! What the...
That's
all
just gonna
happening.
be, it's going to be a... Oh, it's got a sash with something at the back, isn't it?
What?
That's interesting.
Oh, could be the top of a purse.
Well, I haven't seen one with the back bit. Oh, well, maybe that just went...
Falling apart, yeah.
There you go.
Oh, that's a bit of fancy.
Yes, it is very fancy.
Oh,
Very nice.
well done.
Not too many targets in this paddock, but that was a nice one.
Yeah.
I've got to go because when he called me up.
Is it going?
That's the back of it.
Yep.
It's a cricket bucket.
G'day, guy.
G'day. I wonder if I've scratched this.
Hey,
Don't,
come on,
mate.
mate. Come on.
Don't scratch it, mate.
Yes. No, it has got stuff on it. Look, it's got people.
Crickety. It's a little crickety.
Oh, come on, mate.
Come on, mate.
I need...
Oh, what?
where's the...
You got the little...
I've got the... Oh, God, I can't get it out of my pocket quick enough.
Oh, look, a little person there.
Oh, come on. Now, I've got an array of things in here. You can have the toothpick, or you can have that other thing.
$10.
Wells gave me that. I don't know why. I only gave him 6. That's the best deal ever. Give him 6 to give me 10 back. Come on. Oh, she's windy as too. Sorry about that.
And then look at this, mate.
Oh, yes, we're just about knackered. We're ready to go home, and he rips out a cricket buckle.
Look at that down the bottom here.
Yes, come on. Lords.
Yeah.
Might say Lords.
Shane Ward? No.
Bradman. Might have sandpaper on it.
I reckon they might be the bowler and the wickets, maybe. I don't know.
Yes. There's the brush.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go, mate. Yes, come on, mate.
Oh,
Oh, what?
It's a nice solid one.
oh no, it's blokes. Look,
Yeah,
look at 'em.
Oh,
One,
yeah,
two.
Yeah.
he might be the batsman.
Yeah, and he's a
wicket keeper.
Yeah.
Oh, of course.
And
it is.
these. Oh, sorry, I got it asked about for poor buddy.
Don't worry about it, mate.
Oh, and of course I got the bat and the ball down the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah, you're right. Hey?
Oh, God. Piss off. That'll go in the cricket buckle book.
How about that one?
Oh, yes. And what's this? All this here?
I
Oh,
think that's a
stadium.
fielder or something, or a bowler, batsman, and all that
Look
kind of
at
stuff.
that. That's a ripper, mate.
And I didn't kill it.
Yeah, Jesus.
You're loving yourself sick.
Oh, you're right.
Normally that's you doing that shit.
Jesus.
It was pretty deep too, wasn't it?
He's up.
Feel how heavy it is.
Yeah, nice solid one. What a beauty.
Oh, what?
Mate.
I better take 300 photos. Oh, that is heavy, isn't it?
The boys are waiting for me to go. It's just down there. It's an Aussie one too, by the look of it. I don't think they're going to be very old. There you go, Georgie the 6th. Unbelievable.